Hindi, pero liliwanagin natin. No? The unofficial ones, okay lang yon. Wala namang problema eh. So everybody can monitor it. Siguro pwede kayo pumunta sa Copilot to monitor yung transparency. Tsaka yung mirror servers. Hindi ko alam kung open na sila. Kami, since this is the official canvas sa amin, we will have to wait. Papasok ko ito sa Municipal Board of Canvassers. It will now go up to the Municipal Board, to the Provincial Board before it goes to the National Board. So medyo mas matagal ng konti ito kasi official ang aming results. Sinong hindi makakatanggap? No, the servers can always receive it. Oh, pero unofficial yun. Unofficial results. No, the arrangement is they're supposed to come out with results, unofficial. In fact, they're supposed to publish it in the websites para makita nyo na lahat ang dumarating.
Sorry, just for the record, sir, yung din lang sa mga magtatanong kung bakit yung iba may ilalabas sila na unofficial, partial, and then comment wala. Baka lang may mangyaring focus in between.
Hindi ho. Kasi ang proseso is that from the PCOS machine, it goes direct to the servers, those unofficial ones. Yung official one goes to the MBOC, the Municipal Board of Canvassers. Tapos magla-ladderized packet yan. Hindi direct. Ang official one goes into a ladderized system. Pupunta sa Municipal Board, magkakaproklema dyan. Pupunta sa Provincial Board, magkakaproklema niyan. Tapos pupunta sa National Board. So mas matagal yung official. Meron din kaming unofficial, yung aming COMELEC server, pero hindi namin i-announce.
Bakit, sir? Ba't hindi nilalabas? Kasi noong 2010, sorry,
Tama yun. Noong 2010, nagkaroon ng announcements, pero ngayon hindi namin ilalabas. Kunin nyo na muna, kasi ang dami na namin unofficial. Unofficial. Yung transparency server, meron pang mirror yon, ang dami-dami nang makakuha. The more that we come out with so many results, the more probable discrepancies could result. So, hindi naman dapat talaga. Yung official one will go through the ladderized system of coming out with the official results. So, matatagal lang ng konti. Kaya nga, nagpa-adjourn kami para 10 o'clock kami mag-umpisa bukas. Meron na mga official results, at least partial official results.